Hey guys, before I go into the intro, I really want to appreciate each and every one of you subscribed to the channel. I just woke up and checked my notification to see 100,000 subscribers. Like guys, I'm even speechless right now. I don't know how to thank you guys. Like without you guys, this channel will be nothing. I really want to say thank you to all my beautiful and wonderful subscribers out there. May God continue blessing you and your family. I really appreciate all the support you've been giving to this channel. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the gist of today. So for those of you who watched my previous video, you remember I made a video on how Portable reunited with his first son, who is Omolalomi. So finally Portable has introduced his first son to his second son, which is Iyanuoluwa, and we're both excited seeing each other. Like these two are brothers, although they are from different mothers. If you remember the story in the previous video, I told you guys that Portable other baby mama, the first baby mama which gave birth to this Omolalomi, kind of abandoned Portable when Portable had no money. She said she didn't want to marry anymore because Portable wasn't having any money back then, but she came back begging that she wants to get back with Portable, and she kind of used this Portable's son to get to Portable, and Portable kind of forgave them. So in this new adorable video, Portable could be seen spending quality time with his two sons and showing them equal love. Man, it was really nice seeing Portable bonding with his children and buying clothes for them equally. Like both of them were just looking so good, guys. I won't talk much. I'm just going to show you guys the video footage so you enjoy it for yourself.
Iyanuoluwa for 20. Oh, papa. Oh, papa. See my became motto. Oh, papa. Zazu, Iyanuoluwa. Oh, Kala, mommy. Visa. Ma, yeah. Gasolo Iyanuoluwa for 20. Mommy, visa. Zazu, Omolalomi. What's up? Zazu. Yeah. Oh, my God, is there? Daddy, come. Daddy. Hey, bata mami ti jamo bata Yahoo bata Yahoo ó tóbi ni. Kai. Oya wo bata Yahoo jo. Ó ta lẹ́sẹ̀ ni. Ó ta lẹ́sẹ̀.
Zazu.
So guys, in other news, Portable and DestinyBoy hit the studio for a brand new street anthem, and this song was produced by Boys. In case you don't know DestinyBoy first blew in Nigeria when he started doing Fuji covers of popular songs like Davido, If, and the rest was just history. And these Boys have been the one taking care of DestinyBoy ever since then. Until now, they are still together, man. The chemistry between these guys is just so amazing, and finally they've decided to collab with Portable, and Portable was really excited being with DestinyBoy and Boy as they were just vibing to the new song. I'm going to be playing a little snippet of this song so you guys get to listen to what it sounds like.
Zazu, Amoro versus Omoro. Ìkàtó.
So guys, the last news for today is about this fake Portable who was spotted yet again on the streets of Lagos imitating Portable and dancing on the road. Honestly, I don't know that this guy did smoke score or he did take some kind things when they are fed brain, but it seems like Portable has even noticed this guy because I followed him on Instagram and I also saw that Portable was also following this guy and reposting his videos. So guys, that will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly do to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. It's been your boy Merky Jameson and I'm signing out for now.